come there.
Antigana, Bayana.
Yaku, na me be say, okay, century, and a commodore don't have a concentrate. Near can be about media freedom. How even over Africa continent, first near rank here first, but latest rank in the buy, you tip on that third. Would you say, and you be saying, Anna, Ama, near you more ranking no Asiana, because before believe is a Nando a manner. Sa criminal libel law no ko gina mu se me no mi enu ko tran videos na se ya no fom kra na obi ni mu akonya se so de ko tun so na de but as a nipa na o kan se no nei obeje power no ye hu bi foforo
NFL suppression of the media.
Okay.
And in any given democracy, about so one man kwan and media no and thrive it affects the democracy.
Okay.
You know, now I think say a wave be a Nigeria, Buhari is doing almost the same to media houses that are critical to his government. Recently, is it Australia or Australia? One of these countries, and some attack some media house, they're closing it down, and that idea. The point is that nobody can kill the fire of the media.
Okay.
You can intimidate the media, you can mesmerize the media, but the media can never die.
Wow.
You know what? We have come a long way with our democracy. And in the Fourth Republic in Ayaboy, Yahoo Jerryton Rawlings, Yahoo John Adekumufo, Yahoo Professor John Evans, Atamios, so rest in peace. Yahoo John Dramani Mahama, and Yahoo Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. In all these, even Jerry John Rawlings, who was then a military ruler, Ometafosu into a democratic leader, I started the Fourth Republic. Niama Akufo-Addo media today, Rawlings go and media nusa.
Oh, I see.
What I say, Rawlings, I say, journalist, and they say the community or call if South Africa. You about the murder of Ahmed Swali. Rawlings had his own problems, but he allowed the media to also have their way. You understand? Though the media can never be very sacrosanct.
Okay.
We are fallible. They make mistakes every time, but it doesn't mean say we are irresponsible. One, look at Ahmed Swali. An investigative journalist. Wabwapa ama ya exposing a lot of rot in the system.
Okay.
You see, and these things also come with the hazards of the job. When you are a journalist, definitely, and you are exposing people will come after you.
Okay.
So you need to take your personal security very, very important.
Okay.
But suffice it to say, there was no reason, as I say, because of a Juma or serving the Republic of Ghana.
Okay.
Manasseh, expose we see militia be or flag castle.
Castle, yeah.
Now she Manasseh. That meant this is what power. Nyamo the year John Dramani Mahama. To the extent say or accuse a sitting president of bribery.
Wow.
You guys are is it
for the expedition.
For the expedition. It became a huge issue in Ghana here. And nobody attacked Manasseh. Or Manasseh's diaries.
Yeah.
Obe did NDC for them, nobody did anything to Manasseh Azuri because he was doing his job. At the end of the day, when you go to Manasseh mistake, when you realize it, what do? You apologize.
Okay.
That's why we joined our war.
Okay.
So it's in the one even before nobody repealing criminal libel law.
Okay.
And Kufuor was able to bring the media to himself, upper media.
Okay.
Because of belief, he say when you are able to work closely and collaborate with the media, your government akasano a tumpon.
Okay.
What I can say.
Okay.
So Kufuor work closely with the media. Professor Mills work closely with the media, and Professor Mills is one of the presidents of the Republic of Ghana. Masa, Ada media for their general.
Yeah.
Enya de kitwa.
Me kasi as one of the stations in Greater Accra. Omu dina tebo you know ama ono anza from there. Ama
that's right. You see, he was a kind of a leader every day, no, mekaino. Because namiso wa demo power. And oti bibi na enya, obet ma fair editor no.
Okay.
And na fair presenter no. E say no can say this say. Adentia. Now I explain more opportunity to explain yourself, and if there's any clarification or be clarify, then we move on. Because at the end of the day, without the media, there will not be democracy. Without the media, there will not be democracy. And then we came to John Dramani Mahama. And we say, corruption, say the media attacked him left, right, center, but he prevailed. These things that are happening today under President Akufo-Addo never happened under Rawlings, under Mills. It never happened under Akufo, and it never happened under John Dramani Mahama. So the question we are asking is, why is it happening under President Adodankwa Akufo-Addo?
I see.
Go back here. And if for the Jukuku, Dr. Koboy, they go to a radio station at that year, or baby, or TV to PCFM. And I can say, closing down radio stations at that year is not the solution to government's achievements. So let the government concentrate and focus on achieving. When you are able to achieve, now open elections, sir, definitely the people will vote for you. But here is the case, you are giving promises to the people, and you are not delivering on your promises. Media focus can, who's the hey, so these are some of the things that are affecting your development, because our democracy is under siege. And then we are controlling Untimi Kawaji. Because we are Kawaji, a better issue. Adeti, Uncle Exposure of another region. On the then, Yatata,
Honorable Roxy Buka.
That's right. Minka, XYZ reporter, the Operation Vanguard. Omu convener, and Bonifi. I got sex in the car.
3 million Vanguard.
3 million Vanguard. I got sex in the car. I got car. Information Minister. Say, or Nakasa no you see, no, they are fond of doing that. Ukaida Maronis fee yellow. There was a guy called Anadakwa. Okase Rollins Akasana Shidi. Wow. You see, very unfortunate and needless statement coming from information minister. We are former journalists with Joy FM, and then we information minister. And you are saying, say a journalist are report or not. Is it not sad? Slowly but surely, Ghana is going down into the abyss, and we need to rise up. We need to sit up. But the media is also divided to the extent that watching more radio gold players who NDC, and these are the things that are working against us journalists. We need to come together as journalists, and Dr. Afemoni DJ President Oboni Homoni. But he will need the support of all of us to ensure, say, or best succeeding, so that the attacks and needless killing and stuff to the media no stop immediately. And Ghana needs to regain its record in the international community. And then it is MBR, no dreaming. Say NDC 40, Omanya Hinti say, a go Akochi, but say arresting national chairman of the NDC. And I am saying that. Closing down radio stations, beating journalists, arresting for some Pofo, Kukubuahi and Co will not do the MPP any good. It will not put any feather in their cap. Look, what we call democracy is very expensive. Now you did gra wachi enye. I've never seen or experienced wars, but I've read about wars. I've gone to countries, war-torn countries, when people are talking to you about war, wars. It is not good. And these are some of the things that open that door for violence. Because people will not sit down every day for you to attack them. One day, they will resist. And see, it should be and everybody say, I buy notice or collaborating effectively with the media to ensure say pursue a Ghana per se econo. Na Ghana according him. But the attacks and the victimization and the suppression and the oppression are terrible.
Is it because central demand and central for the Sweden your year?
And maybe by not journalists, so yeah, bet you watching. Yeah, because if France no back home, that prisons. But Ghana, upon him, we have made a lot of strides, gains, progress with regards to press freedom. And then, me know it's now I can dream. And do you think, say, who come be now, Pina, Chiwa, who will not be able to maybe, because I want to put the fear of God into you. And see, as I said, Akufo-Addo need the Aban to recognize it. Say the media is the fourth estate of the realm.
Okay.
After the presidency, you go to where? Parliament, and then you go to where?
The
judiciary. Then you come to the media.
Yeah.
So we have a stake, we have a role to play. And I'm saying that it's true. Sometimes some of us we get it wrong. Because as a journalist, you need to check and double check your facts before you put them out.
Now who calls some VIP? Vampires in power. Who calls some VIP?